Hello, hello, and welcome to Nails for the Week. My name is Lori, and I hope you're having an absolutely fabulous day today. I know I am because you're here and we get to play in the nail room. So let's get started. Okay, you guys. So on the spring mystery box, we got this pin, and I got a comment on that video saying that it was a magnetized um, charm that you can just, take the magnet off, or can just take the pin off and it's a magnet. It is not. I was like, "Oh, that's awesome. I didn't see that or I didn't notice that." But no, it is not a pin, or I mean, it is not a magnetized charm, unfortunately. So, I was kind of bummed about that. I thought, you know, what do you do? But it comes with the nice lid and stuff, and oh, well. And as you can see, my nails are still all kinds of brownish, brownish nude. I think we're moving from the browns into the nudes. But here is the surprise mystery box because it's like in the middle. I don't know if it's a surprise mystery box because everybody gets different stuff, or if it's a surprise mystery box because it's not a spring, summer, or fall mystery box. Well, we got all the lovely white worms and the 15% off. I'll let you see that code. I haven't tried to use mine yet. The last time I got it from the last box. So I don't, and I didn't even think about using it for the box. So let me know if you try and use it. Let me know if it works for the boxes. Probably not, but I mean, I'm going to guess probably not, but what do you do? Okay, let's go to the box. We have nail stencils in lots of different stars, and they're iridescent and pretty. They look like they're stickers, so I bet you could use them as the stencil, or you could use them for that thing that everybody was doing now for a while anyway. All right, what's other in the box? Let's see. Grab a couple things out. Okay. All right. Sorry. As you can see, these are practice tips. I don't know why they sent us practice tips. I mean, yeah, it's nice to have practice tips, but they are all the same size. They're all, I don't know if they're size 6.5 for sure or what. It would have been kind of nice if they would have sent us, enough to do a hand or two, enough to do a mani. That would have been cool. Like, send us 2 or 3 of each number just to see if we like them. And of course, we've got the arrow puffing. Why, of course? I don't know. Just because I thought so. The arrow puffing tool with the pink, got pink gems in the center. There, very nice. And I'm sure that you can buy more on the website, more ends. And we've got a gel brush. And here we go. It is like super, super light. Oh, I'm losing it. All right, nice fancy box. Comes with a thing, and it's a nice medium size. It's a square head. I guess I always prefer the oval ones where the corners are rounded off. Just I think it works better for me personally. It's got the branding on there. It's nice. It feels really, really light. So if you like a light brush, like there's almost nothing in your hand, this would be good for you. All right. Next up, we have got some foil. There we go. It's an oil slick foil. I don't know if you can see that. I have this same stuff already. So I don't know if you can really tell. It's just gives a little bit of the iridescent effect of like an oil slick if you want to put a solid color on, or if you want to put a bunch of different colors on. I've actually used it in a set before where I just put it over a nice baby blue. It was really pretty. I thought it come out really pretty. And we've got some half pearls. I think they're called Mermaid Pearls, where it's like a teal and a pink together. We're going to scoot you down here a little bit closer so you can see all these tiny moons and stars. And I already have a ton of these because, when you get them, you get so many in a pack. It's going to take a long time to use all those. You see how tiny those are? I am going to throw those in the giveaway box because, I don't need 400,000 more moons and stars. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to put on this wildflower lacquers for Mother's Day. Yeah, I'll put it on for Mother's Day. I'm tired of the browns. Okay, we've got some Charm Gel Art Paint in white. I'm not going to open it. This is what it says here on the bottom. If you want to check out, it's like a dual gel. It says that you can use it for art or paint the entire nail with it. I guess that's why you get the brush, or I got the brush. It's cute. There it is. Blah, blah, blah. It's white gel, That's why I wasn't going to open it. It's just white. Nobody cares. All right. On to the glitters. And here we have it is a white kind of holographic iridescent type glitter. You can kind of see it in the lid, how it shimmers and shines a bunch of different colors, but it is white. So I don't know. I think it's really pretty. I really like this type of glitter, and I think it's hard to find. So, but it is a lighter holographic. It's kind of cool. Anyway, next up we have a in emoji holographic silver glitter. We've got little poops, smiley or lips, smiley faces, and mustaches. Yeah, not something that I would ever purchase. I just am not that type of person. And unicorn chrome. So unichrome. I was thinking that this would be more of like I forgot the stupid sticker again. I was thinking this would be more of like a pink on white, pink and kind of like the outside of the lid, but it's showing up a little bit more gold than I thought it would. I don't know. I am sure though. See how gold that looks? Oof. I'm sure I'll be using it in a video sooner or later. But yeah, look at how gold that is. Yeah, I wiped it on my hand and then didn't show you. Oh, there you go. There you go. Yeah, it's pretty, and I'm sure it's gotta, I don't know, it's gotta turn the blue and pink like most unicorn chromes do. I'm glad I didn't buy any. I was going to because they had a 20% off sale, or they currently have a 20% off sale on all of their chromes. So, and I didn't show you the bottom of this, which I really should have, but it's like hollow unichrome or something, or holographic unicorn is the name of the mix. It's a silver mix. It's got silver hexies in a bunch of different sizes and silver unicorns, or silver unicorn heads, just the heads. And they are kind of small. The heads are. I mean, not small compared to the nail art world. Oh, there's my new kitten. Her name is Stella. And yeah, we only made a little mess, so we're good. But sorry about Stella. Um, yeah, the heads aren't huge compared to a lot of the unicorn heads that I have seen in the past. These are the smallest unicorn heads that I have seen. Let's put it that way. There you go. Does that make sense? Good. Moving on. All right. I got these crystals. I don't know if they're the Daily Charm crystals, if they're Swarovski, or if they're Preciosa. Um, and I didn't even look in the back. But they are the exact same ones that I got in the spring box. I can tell you that. There's Stella again. Checking her out. She's like, ooh, pretty crystals. Oh, I was going to cut this out. Nope, want to play with the crystals. Yes, she is definitely fun and a bundle of joy. So, okay, now we've got the Charm Gel. I'm going to say this right now because the last time that we got the same type of gel, I told you it's an iridescent glitter topper. They are showing you black and white because it's iridescent, and it will look different according to what you're gonna put it over the top of, what color you'll put it over the top of. It is not, I repeat, it is not glow in the dark. It does not and will not glow in the dark. Please don't leave me a comment telling me it's glow in the dark because I can guarantee it is not. I checked on the website. I did a test myself. It is not glow in the dark, I promise. But it is iridescent and it is pretty. Even Stella likes it. Ah. Okay, moving on. I was just cleaning up my mess with that glitter. We have some angel paper. It is like orange and gold and it's pretty. It's angel paper. More iridescent. Different colors. And if you wanted to know that's what the polish looks like over white. And we got, me messing around with the camera. Oh, yeah. Miss Stella decided that she needed to check out the box. She knocked it off the table. And here we are with white stuff everywhere. Thanks, Stella. You're so sweet. Yeah, I caught her again after I fixed this. I had to show you this. I know. You're probably going, oh my God. This is not a nail video. This is not a cat video. So this is a color, a palette, obviously. It's kind of nice because it's got that big area and then, the little ones. But I like the fact that on the end, if I can ever get it out, here we go. On the end, we have that like a hole, a divot in the end there so that your brush can rest there and you don't have to worry about it just sliding right out or falling right out or trying to, yeah. So there you go. I had to show you out. Look at that brush works. Wow. I don't know. I kind of like that brush has a lid. I really prefer, especially with gel brushes, but with acrylic brushes too. I wish that they all came with lids. I know sometimes they're kind of a pain in the butt to try and get the lid on and not wreck any of the bristles, but with gel brushes, you want to keep them away from the sunlight. And with acrylic brushes, you want to store them upside down so the bristle's down, so you're not getting monomer up into the handle and making a mess the next time you want to use the brush. Okay, let's get back to it. Rant over. Here we go with some watercolor stickers. These are all like unicorns and stuff. And then we've got, these are kind of cute, little gold stars with silver or clear gems on them. Just cute little things. Not bad. And we have another pack of gemstones. These are, well, they're clear back. They are the ones where they're like yellow and yellowy orangey browny color over white. If I can get it off there. Yeah, see? Yellowy orangey colored. And then over black, they're like blue or teal. They're kind of like the color of my desk. They just blend in. So there is that. And you get actually quite a few of them. And if I remember right, I'm going to put this right up on black so you know exactly what it looks like. There we go. And if I remember right, we got these in the spring box as well as those other crystals, which I'm assuming are the Daily Charm crystals. They're brand crystals, but if you can see, you get quite a bit. So there is that. Let's see if we got anything else in the box. Okay, there was just a cat and a few of the white little scrunchies. So this is everything we got in the box. It was $49, I believe, plus $5 shipping in hand, or $6 shipping in it. I don't know. It came to $54. I don't know. I don't know if this box was worth it for me personally. It's supposed to be quite a bit of value. Let me know what you thought in the description down below, and I hope that you have an absolutely fabulous day. Bye!